Alright guys, Mike and Curtis here today. It's one of those days, it's that time of the month for the mystery tackle box unboxing. And I will say this one feels kind of heavy compared to last month's box. This is part of my subscription. This isn't from Dick's or anything. So let's go ahead and dive on in and do something different. I figured I'd record outside. Where I normally record is a nightmare, so why not do it outside? It's nice where I'm at. Let's see what we got in the box. That is if I can open it. We got it opened. All right, let's set it off here to the side and just start picking stuff up and showing it to you guys. That's what's inside. All kind of goodies, huh? Oh man. All right. Get the tips and tricks, like always. Normally don't look at that. Get this little it's interesting. I guess they must be talking about the first lure I picked up. I guess that's what this goes to, is this little guy right here. Them colors look awesome. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic because it does look pretty cool. Looks like you can add the hook. There's like two ways, I guess. Or no, I've seen this, yeah. So when the fish bites it, the lure goes up the line, and all you gotta worry about is the hook. You ain't gotta worry about the lure and everything with it. That is pretty neat, I must say. And that color scheme is amazing. Wow. Got a little bit of weight to it too. That's a nice little bait. I do like that. All right, we got Wacky Rig drop shot hooks. Not bad. It's like they've already been, so they forgot to actually put the sticker on the flap. That works. We've got a Desert Jig football jig. Colors look pretty cool. I do like that. That is interesting. Talk about it right there. That's why the box was so heavy. A football jig. That's a cool little sticker. I like that. About time I got a real sticker. I don't think my last Pro box came with a sticker like that. And we've got another one. And put it in plastic now? Look at that. Looks pretty cool. Hooks look intense. Not bad. I like the colors. I do like the colors. We've got, never seen those before. Might have some actual worms that'll fit there. Look pretty good. Yeah, those look really good, like the heads and everything. Not bad so far. I still got about, I think, half a box left. Start off with little plastics. They love sending me this company. It ain't a bad color. It's like a black and blue sparkle. It's not bad. Not bad at all. And then, ooh, look at here. Ooh, ooh. Them big old crawls. Oh yeah. The shawl crawl. That ain't bad at all. Infused scent and salt. Definitely have to give those a try. They're black and blue as well. And last, definitely not least, as I throw them on my porch, which is fine. Now these I'm really excited for. I've seen these before. I've never personally bought them. I'm not big on soft plastics, but these right here might change my mind. And we got those right there. I've heard of the company. I've seen them. Just never personally got a chance to try them out myself. They should do pretty good, especially with like that two-tone to them. They should do really good. So yeah, this box was actually really, really good. Really impressed with this one. Oh, there's one of my hooks fell out. Careful guys, I got a loose hook. It fell out of that little hook bag here. So try to remember that. Fell right on out. I might get a little piece of tape over that so that doesn't happen again. But yeah, so we'll do a quick little recap here. Got the big old crawls. Those are gonna be nice. We got these big old swim bites. Definitely a good one. Got these little guys. I'm curious with those. Who knows? We got this one by Musted. Got that lure by Carl. We got this one. I'm really excited. This one right here. I'm excited for this one. Might actually take it out on the water tomorrow and try it out. That is really interesting. We got the sticker. You gotta have stickers. I keep telling people that. You gotta have your stickers. You got that jig. I do like the color. I like that little stripe of green. That's gonna be nice. And like I said, you got your hooks. But as I drop those too. Just remember, if it looks like that, careful with your box. You might have a loose hook floating around down there. And actually your tips and your tricks and stuff like that. So yeah, all in all, I give that box 10 out of 10. Easy. That was a really good box. And the most expensive lure was, I want to say it was this one. Yep. This was the most expensive lure of this box. $8.99. Wow. So remember, if you guys like seeing this, I'm going to keep the subscription. Actually, next month is going to be just a standard box, 20 bucks a month. And then hopefully when things get better, I can maybe go back to this one for 1 or 2 times, you know, see what happens. But yeah, just remember, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to take you away with this hit. You guys have a good day.